Alright, YouTube watchers, here we have this Raw Iron Hunter original. Got this fan actually off of the Facebook Marketplace down in Kissimmee. Another one of the harder to find finishes. It's in very nice condition. There's the tag. $19.99. Had to bend the brackets back on this one. They left the blades on it and set on top of a bin, so the brackets took the weight of the motor. But for the most part, they're back to being somewhat decently straight. Probably could use a little bit more tweaking, but I'm not going to care that much more for it. Let's go ahead and test her. Let's put her on low, so high, medium, low. I really like the raw iron look. It actually looks nice with these dark red blades. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Pretty well balanced actually too. Medium's already moving pretty fast, needs some good air. Let's go ahead and go to high. It's always high is pretty insane on these things. Feeling a very good breeze. The blades are pretty well in line, they're a little bit off still. Motor is quiet. Let's go ahead and do spin down. So this is another one of those hard to find ones. The other finishes I'm looking for that are still hard to find is a brushed nickel and a verde. It looks like I need to steepen the pitch on the blades a little bit more. I'll have to compare it to one of the other ones I have installed to see how much more I gotta bend them. But for the most part, she's actually pretty good right now. In $19.99, that means she's a 4 or 5 blade. Luckily this one had the switch cap, no one took it off, so that's another good thing. Best part is I got this for only 30 bucks. Bearing seems pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching.